Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I have a Happy Mail unboxing video to show you guys. And this is from Nancy, and I will have her Instagram link down below. But oh my goodness, she sent me some Happy Mail. So she said that she had started to enter and make stuff for my challenge, and she had made an embellishment box. But then it just kind of, life took over and it took forever. So then it just became, I guess, Happy Mail. I don't really know what to call it, but I know she didn't finish then the challenge and then just sent me some other goodies, or at least that's how she described it. So that's what I got. But let's see, guys. Let's see what Nancy sent me here. So sweet of her. She said she sent me some Daiso goodies and things like that. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Nancy. I wasn't expecting any Happy Mail or anything. Thank you so much. So let's open this, guys, and let's see what Nancy has sent my way. All right, guys, so here is a cute little card that she had made for me. Or, that she wrote on. It's like a little postcard. I'm going to read this off camera. Okay, so she said that all her envelopes and embellishments she has from her stash. So she just kind of used things from Studio Elaine, which is Elaine and on Instagram, and from Veronica, which is Lulu's Trunk. So I'll have them linked down below as well. But she said that she wasn't able to make a card, but she still wanted to send something. And she made the embellishment box. She said, girl, oh my goodness. All right, so here we are. So I don't know who made what, but here is an envelope that she had in her stash, and I don't know if she, decorated it or whatever, or if somebody else did, but let's look at it anyway. So she's got this doily and rosette, this cute little mason jar embellishment that's a sit back and a relax, this beautiful bow. I love this happy heart chipboard and this cute little bunny, and there's a little tail on it. How adorable. And this is a Velcro closure. And inside of here, oh my goodness, this is from Daiso. Look at this beautiful pink shred. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, Nancy. Oh my god, I love this. I've always been wondering where people get the super fine thin shred. Thank you. Oh my god, I love that. Thank you so much. Then here, she's got this envelope. I know I made for, I think it was her challenge that I made a double envelope kind of thing. Was it her challenge? Did she have a challenge? No, maybe it's for somebody else. I can't remember. Oh, and by the way, guys, I totally forgot to mention, but Nancy is Paper Bow Lover on Instagram. But anyway, so here is this cute little envelope. Look at these beautiful flowers. Look how pretty they are. Look at this glittered up one or diamond dusted one. Look at this beautiful bow with this gemmy in the center. You've got these ephemera bits and this rosette out of material. And there's, oh my god, look, it's a clear thing here. And there's pearls on it. Okay, whoever made this, I need to know where this is from. That is gorgeous. I want some of that in my stash. That is so pretty. And then there's more flowers down here. And then this is also on a Velcro closure. And inside of here, she's got, oh my god, look at all this embroidery floss or embroidery thread. Oh my goodness, thank you, girl. I love all the colors, all the pastels. Look how pretty. Oh my god, thank you so much. I need to find a way to get to a Daiso. Oh my god. I mean, maybe now I don't need to because I got some goodies, but thank you so much. And then here, oh my god, I love this. Look at this cute little bag topper, and here it says from me to you. And it's on a clothespin so I could reuse it. And what is this? A flower. Oh my god. It's a glittery flower thing. That is so cute. And here it says, hope the sun shines down on you today. So pretty. I love the embellishments on all these. Such pretty bag toppers and envelopes. And it says made with love back here. So then I could take this off. So then I could take off the bag topper. See, look how easy that was. And then this is also like a little envelope. Oh my god, more shred! Girl, you're hooking me up with the shred. Oh my god, thank you so much. Oh, I love it. Oh my god, so thoughtful of you to go to like a Daiso and shop for me. Like, that is so thoughtful. I didn't even know these goodies were coming my way, so thank you so much. And then here, she attached like this carousel ephemera thing. Oh my god, there's that trim again. Did Elaine make this, or did you make this? I don't know. I don't even know who has that trim. Was it Veronica? I don't know. If I had to guess, I'm going to guess Elaine, because I feel like she crafts with the pearls, but maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong. So let me know. I need that pearl, like, clear thing in my life. It's so cute. And here is that gold heart thing, like trim. Oh my god, so cute. And then inside of here, oh my god, look at these pastel pom-pom colors. Thank you so much. Look at all this. Oh my god, all these beautiful colors. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's a glassine bag. Oh, that is adorable. I love this. I got so many ideas for this, like just reusing things. Oh my god, there's so much stuff in here, girl. Hooking me up. And then here, oh, this is so pretty. This is like a mix of like a paper collection, I think from Hobby Lobby, like called something Terrace, Bloom Terrace maybe, this paper. And then I think this is, I want to say Willow Lane for this ephemera bit. I don't know, but I feel like that's Willow Lane. And that's really cute. I love how people mix collections and use like other papers. I always, when I'm crafting with a collection, I always tend to stick with the same collection, so I don't really go outside of that. I just feel better that way, and I feel happier that I get to use up a whole bunch of like paper that way. But when you have leftover, I guess it's a good idea to like dip into your stash of like other random paper. Maybe that's what they did here, I don't know. But look at this. Oh my god, this is embroidery thread too, guys. Look how shiny it is and sparkly. I love it. Oh my god, so pretty. Loving all the pastels. Oh my god, thank you so much. I'm gonna be reusing all of these myself. All of these like little envelopes and things. Like, oh my god, so cute. And look, girl, you got to use up your stash, and now I got to use it up too. And then here, is this your embellishment box? Oh my god, look how gorgeous this is. Look at this beautiful paper piece together. A little girl. And it says lovely. You got this trim here and this like floral leafy goodie thing. You have this butterfly. How pretty is this? Oh my god, that is stunning. And this is an embellishment box, I think, on the inside. And you got this like ribbon. I love the little boxes people make for these things. Oh my god, so cute. Look how perfectly that fits in there. So here's our embellishment box. Did you make this? You have to let me know. I don't know what you made and what you didn't make anymore. You're gonna have to let me know. Okay, so here she has my name here. It says Karolina, and this little bow, or not little, but this beautiful bow. The trim, I love that. And look, she glittered up all of this. Oh my god, that is so glittery. How did you do it? Like, did you mix the glitter with Mod Podge, or did you put Mod Podge and then you dipped it into glitter, and then did you seal it with Mod Podge after? You're gonna have to let me know how you did that, because I tried to mix glitter and Mod Podge together one time, and I had to do like 5 coats for it to be nice and glittery. So let me know, so that next time I do that, I don't struggle so much. But inside of here, she even has this paper on the top just to decorate. And here she's got these beautiful gemmies. Look how pretty. So there's circles, and there's little diamondy ones. I love like the iridescent, what is it, holographic? Is that what it's called? What's the difference between iridescent and holographic, guys? For real, I don't know. And then here she's got all of these beads. Did you make all these? Oh my goodness, how pretty. Look at all of these. I love these. Oh my god, hooked me up on beads. Look how pretty. And I love like this 3 layered one, like triple layered and the double layered. These are so pretty. I know I just lost one somewhere. Oh, here we go. Okay, it's back. So she's got that. Look at these beautiful gemmies. Thank you so much. Here's the sequin mix that she made. Like, this was for like my challenge entry. Oh my god, look how pretty. All the pinks, the purple, the little flowers, the hearts. How pretty is that? And the green, not the green, the gold glitter. Oh my god, so pretty. Thank you so much. Here she's got these beautiful gemmies in pink. I love them. Then here she's got these rose flowers. It's got like a peachy color and a pink color. Thank you very much. And then here she's got these foam flowers. So pretty. And I have like little roses, but I don't have like the size. I have like the teeny tiny little roses. So thank you so much for sharing. And then, oh my god, look at the tiniest bow ever. Did you cut this out with like a cutting machine? Or do you have like a little teeny die for this? I want to say a cutting machine, but I can't be sure. But oh my god, these are so adorable. Such cute little teeny tiny bows. I love them. Thank you so much. And then here she's got all these wood pieces. So I see these cute little cameras. It's like a Polaroid and like an old style camera. So she's got a bunch of those. Oh, there's even another one. It's got this little camera. So I'm so excited to use those because I could put Nuvo drops on it, or I could just color it with Copic markers, or I could paint it, whatever it is. But those are really cute embellishments. And then here she sent me some trim. Look at this beautiful trim. Oh, I love that. Look how pretty. I love the peachy color too. And the center is like a velvety kind of feel. That is so cute. I love that. That is so amazing. Thank you so much for sharing. I love how that feels. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much, girl. You could have totally sent this, you know, for my birthday challenge, even without the card. Could have made like any card and then just cut it out into a star, and I would have been like, yay, it's a shaped card. Thank you so much, Nancy. So I'm gonna put this back in here because that's a beautiful box. And then here she's got this like other like embellishment on the glassine bag. I love this. I love how you guys are doing that. I don't know whose idea that was, but so pretty. These beautiful like leafy things. She's got this flower here. Look at this layered flower. Did you make this, or did you get this from Lori? Did you buy some from Lori? I don't know, but that is so pretty. Oh my god, so sturdy too. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's a lot of work for one flower. And here she's got this ephemera like bits, and here's her bag topper, and you take off the clothespin, and inside of here she's got, oh my gosh, look at these beads. The little hearts. Oh my god, thank you so much. I'm gonna have so much fun wire wrapping. Oh my goodness, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love them. Thank you so much. You're so generous. You got me so many Daiso goodies. I can't believe it. Totally unexpected. So thank you so much. I truly, truly do appreciate it. And I'm going to put this bag topper on here because it's so pretty, and it says, be happy, be kind, which you were like so generous. And then here, oh my god, look! She sent me these cute little things that people have been using. It's like a little briefcase, and it's got like 6 pockets on the inside. Not pockets, little spaces on the inside. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? Cute little like briefcase, suitcase thing, and you could just put some goodies in there. That is so cute. Thank you so much. And then she also, oh my gosh, look! Guys, this is like the heart styrofoam stuff that people include in Happy Mail. And I've been wondering this whole time where people get this. And I guess it's from Daiso, because look, they got these different colors. So this is pink, greens, and whites. And then there's this one, not pink, green, and white. What am I saying? Blue, green, and white. And then this one is pinks and a little bit of white, but mostly pink. Oh my god, look. This is going to be so cute to add to my Happy Mail. Thank you so much, Nancy. Oh my goodness, this is so generous of you. Thank you so much for sending this my way. I truly, truly, truly do appreciate it. I'm so grateful, so thankful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Everything's so beautiful. And look at all these envelopes and everything. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful all these are. You hooked me up, girl. Thank you so much. I feel so spoiled right now. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. All these envelopes I have to reuse. Oh my goodness. So many. And the embellishment box and the cute little glassine bags. Oh my god. So many goodies. Thank you so much, Nancy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I truly do appreciate it. Totally unexpected. I know I've been waiting to like open this, and like last week I was just like, I can't be bothered to like film, so I know it's a little delayed. But thank you so much, girl, for sending me all these goodies. Oh my god, I truly, truly do appreciate it. Thank you again. All right, guys, check out Nancy. I'm going to have her Instagram down below. I'll also have Elaine and Veronica linked down below as well, because I don't know who made what. But I want to give everybody credit, so I will just link them down below in their channels, and you guys can check them out. Or their Instagrams if they don't have a channel. So that is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.